All right, check it out, guys. Here is this is the garden update for September 5th, 2024. Okay, not 25, not 23, not 22, 2024. All right, check it out. First of all, look at this. This is my. I have a little cantaloupe right there. Okay, cool. All right, so we'll see how that puppy goes over the next month. We'll see how if it gets big, if it'll be something to harvest, right? So lemon cucumbers, they're getting thicker, but still no lemons yet. No cucumbers. I mean, they're cucumbers, right? But they're round like a lemon, right? So I should get a lot of these though. It looks like they're buds. There's a lot of buds on there, so it looks like they're probably going to be. See right there. So it looks like those things are going to be popping soon, and when those things start popping, they start popping. So also check this guy out. So now we have this other butternut squash. Now these I've had bad luck because of the squash bugs. Last year I had some. Last year I had the zucchini. I was talking about it, and then for a while it was growing pretty good, and then next thing you know, the squash bugs got to it, and then they stopped growing, and then they wouldn't grow anymore. So this right here, I had a problem on the other side with the squash bugs. I started pulling them off. I planted this guy here in this bed. This is a butternut squash plant, and so now this guy's growing. He's pretty big, right? So hopefully this one right here will actually make it. But then I have the small one next to it that's doing that thing again, which I got to look up. I got to figure it out. I'm gonna look it up on. I'm gonna find out on Chat GPT. I'm gonna see what happens. But check it out. Like, see that one? It looks like it's a little softer when I touch it, and then that one's harder. So that way, that means it's more firm. And so this one right here, I don't think this one's going to make it. I think it's going to start turning brown and then getting soft, and then eventually probably falling off. I'm not sure, but I'm not going to mess with it. I'm just going to hope. I don't see any squash bugs, so I'm just going to keep trucking on that one. So here, let's check this out though. Okay, so now let's see what else we got out here. Here's the yard, right? Check it out. Boom. That's the one with the squash. I mean the butternut squash, yeah. And then down there's this lemon cucumbers, and then this will be the cantaloupe. But then this is my pepper one, right? That I was showing you guys. So I already harvested a bunch of these, so I'm probably going to harvest the rest of them, and that thing's going to be done for the year. That's how pepper plants. You can get they grow like these right here. These habaneros. They'll start off. It'll take them a while. Next thing you know, the whole thing will be full of orange habaneros, and they're good. They're hot. They're super spicy. Um, they actually had to have it kicked. So what happens is you take a couple bites. Next thing you know, you're burning and you can't have any more. So if you're looking to put flavor on your food for salsa, that's probably not the thing, because those right there are pretty spicy, and you could probably it depends on how much you can handle. Um, and then the jalapenos down there, there's only a couple left. I'm gonna grab those. I had a bowl. I eat them every day, you know. Um, so then, of course, I have the one I've been talking about this from the beginning of the season, right? This guy, right? At my tomato plant. I had some other tomatoes. Usually they grow pretty good, but like I said, I didn't rotate like I should have, and I think um, I need to make sure I rotate them next year and I'll put something else on this side, and then I'll put the tomatoes on the other side, right? And then kind of mix it up. But yeah, I'm gonna take these puppies. I gotta get these off soon because they're already ready to go. So, but yeah, and then we'll see how long this grows for. But right now it's September, so I'm thinking, it is the end towards the end of the season, but this is when we get the harvest, right? All this stuff, right? So it gets. I mean, I've had tomatoes for a while, but now you're gonna get the all the harvest from and then all this lemon cucumber plant. I think I planted it a little bit late, but hey, check it out. Like, I think that thing is, look at, there's buds just like the other one. There's buds right there. So it looks like this thing's going to start producing little cucumbers that look like lemons. And then this one, I had some more of these little butternut squashes, but guys, look, I don't know what's up. Like, maybe because I had them squash bugs on there, and I started pulling them off, but now they haven't been on there. I've been looking. I look every day, and they're not there. So obviously, um, maybe they did something to the plant. But I have another one going down here. Right, they're small though, but so we'll see. Maybe I'll come back maybe in a week, couple weeks, and or a month, and I'll be able to show you guys some of those. But I think it's too late. I think, but we'll see. We'll see what's going to happen. I had one. It was bigger than this one, but you know, it just turned like I said, it turned soft, and then it got brown, and then that was it. So, all right, it's getting dark, but I was just wanted to just go quickly go through this thing. This Japanese eggplant, I've already been harvest a lot of these things. Let me hope there's no spiders in here. Let me pick this up. See, but they're I got a bunch of them down there, so I'm going to be grabbing a bunch of these and making some more. Um, maybe some like maybe make some eggplant like with some sauce or something. Um, anyway, so now remember I was talking about how the lettuce. I got to get that weed back there, but remember how I was talking about how the lettuce went to seed, right? Well, then I came back and I replanted some lettuce, but this time I think it's the red. I think it's the red. This should turn red. I think. I don't think it's green. I don't think it's green now. It looks pretty good, right? Actually, this might be just the green because I don't see. I think it would have started turning red already. So, yeah, this might just be. I must have just got the green lettuce. I thought I got the red one, but anyway, the red leaf. But we'll see. I'm gonna let it grow a little bit more, and actually. I might just harvest some of this already, because it'll grow back fast if you just cut it. So, anyway, that's pretty cool, right? So I got more salad here ready to go. Um, and oh, over here, what we have? We got this thing, another eggplant, right? I already harvested all the big ones, but this one's growing here still. And I don't know if there's any other ones. It doesn't look like it. This might be done for the year after this. But then we have, of course, my kale plant, which I just made a bunch of eggs and a bunch of other, I think, pasta I put with the kale. And so now look at it, it grew again. I don't remember what my other video was, but it wasn't that long ago, and it had this thing was cut short, right? Now look at it, bam. So, yeah. Anyway, that's the garden update for today. Say bye, Henry.